Leather, yellow leather.
I don't know what that is.
It's like a thespian trick. If you're gonna try to enunciate, you say that 3 times fast. Hey y'all, this is Todd Uzel. We're gonna try something a little different. We're working on a podcast idea on our social media. Hope you guys are liking it. We're gonna talk a little bit about mortgage, throw in some pop culture, maybe some what kind of candies we like. I don't know. We're gonna talk about a lot of stuff. But Janelle's gonna chime in every now and then to keep me on task because otherwise I'll just talk. What about rates? Rates are kind of funny. They move with the market, as you likely know. But the truth is, I mean, ever since we got out of the fours, we hadn't really got out of the sevens. So everybody's like, "Ooh, where are rates today?" Well, between 6 and 7. Obviously, whenever the rate's higher, it's going to be a little bit higher payment. But the biggest reason it matters is time. Like if we're talking about mortgages and rates and time, I mean, if you were to keep your mortgage over a 30-year period, a quarter of a point might cost you 50 grand. But in a 2-year period, it's going to cost you $700. You know, like what are we doing? So if you're not buying because of rate, you know, then it's just a math problem. What are you paying for rent? What do your finances look like? And if you don't know what your finances look like, that's a financial advisor podcast that will probably bring somebody in for that. But yeah, rates, like I said, between 6 and 7. The thing is, figure out what your budget is, figure out what you want to spend, what kind of house you want to live in, and let's do the math. I mean, that's what rates are. And now, I want to bring a commercial to you from our sponsoring Snap Title. Do. I want to take a phone call. Nature of the business, but we're back. So, rates. Like I said, until we're in the fives, we're close to 7. Long term, those rates really mean a lot. In the short term, I think you just have to look at budget, what makes sense, and then when rates do come down a little bit, you take advantage of refinance opportunities. Yeah, that's rates. Mortgage 101. What else you want to talk about?
Personal. So let's get personal time.
Okay. What are we watching?
Yeah.
I'm watching.
Okay.
Just watched Power, finished it, 6 seasons. I didn't love the ending. If you did, throw that in the comments. Tell me what you thought. Snowfall. I'm in season 3. If you've watched it, don't tell me if he dies. My daughter, she's 20. We watch all the girl shows. Age of Attraction, Temptation Island. Of course, I have a take. She's always like, man, because my take is different than hers. I mean, watching all these little...
Think about off campus.
That's a good one. I'm a sucker for a rom-com. Yeah, it's cool having a daughter because you can watch all these shows. Off campus was good. I don't know, we watched a lot of those types of movies, like Never Have I Ever.
Like
No,
HGTV, Property Brothers.
I used to.
Selling Sunset?
No.
None of these real estate shows?
None of them, because they're all... I like fixing things.
What are you fixing right now in your house, Todd?
Well, I just leveled my yard with dirt. Still
Maybe they saw the reel.
Ongoing project. Yeah, if you're on Instagram, you probably saw me with a wheelbarrow and a dream. I got a sewing project I've been working on for a while. I just need to bear down and get it. 3 chaise lounges, changing the fabric.
So he sews.
We do things. Always something in the garage. I got a car in the garage I'm working on. Need some organization, like pegboard on the wall type stuff. So never a dull moment. Getting a new couch. I got one. I think I'll make another one. Try to zhuzh up the living room.
Zhuzh.
Now that's from a very good show called, I'm sorry, Andrea Savage.
Have you ever heard of this place called Nella's Auction?
I have. It's oddly entertaining. Yeah, if you haven't heard of Nella's Auction, it's basically Amazon returns or buybacks or anything you could get on Amazon at a discounted rate. Starting bid's $1. Yeah, it's kind of addicting. You just start finding things that you didn't even know you wanted. Next thing you know, you got a towel rack and a pair of shoes and a bug zapper. I mean, what the hell? Office, I've gotten a couple of window shades, and for our east-facing windows. It's so necessary.
Bobby.
Hot Bobby is the best. It's basically turkey dinner and the sandwich, capriottis. I think they're only in Vegas and Phoenix, but the one we go to is on the east side here off of Val Vista and Baseline.
What kind of candy do you want? What do you want? You want the people to vote? Oh my gosh, we're keeping that in.
If you want to.
Why are you so gassy? Did you have an Alani?
I haven't
If you
had one
don't
yet.
know, Todd loves.
Todd prefers Alani as
That's so
energy
brilliant.
drinks go.
So I'm gonna.
It's the highest caffeine you can get. 200 mils in a 16-ounce can. Let's go.
That's why you get those prequels out.
That's right. Yeah.
So
If you talk to me when I'm talking fast, I probably just drink Alani.
Minutes later.
Finger. York. Peppermint patty. Crunch. Almond Joy. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. And Kinder Mini. I have my favorites. I don't know what your favorites are. If you really like one of them, you should drop that in the comments. I would say if I had to pick in order, I'm gonna go Almond Joy. Yay. If they made Mounds, the dark chocolate with the almonds, that would be the best. Butterfinger, close second. I think Reese's and York come together. Then Crunch, and then this Booty Kinder. I don't know what that's all about. I tried it today, and we'll be trying it again. So that's the candy. Wrapping it up with some mortgage stuff. We do a lot of lead generation type stuff here at Starboard, and a lot of folks come to us wanting to purchase a home, not thinking that they can. Come to us wanting to purchase a home, thinking it's not a possibility, and the truth is, it could be paying off a credit card or just doing a few things different with your bank statement, and in 2 months you're in the game. So if you are ready to buy a house, think you might want to, just reach out. We'll kind of set you in the right direction, and before you know it, you'll have those keys. So that's what we got today, and we'll see you next time. Starboard Financial, coming straight to you.